Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to Our Big's Adventure. My name is Cynthia and today we're going to talk about some ideas for those last minute invites to holiday parties. I got invited to a holiday party and I totally wanted to go, but all the dessert lines were taken. What? Desserts are my wheelhouse. That's my go-to. So to Pinterest I went and I found these recipes right here. I found bacon cheddar pinwheels and turkey cranberry meatballs. I wanted something that was fast, frugal, and would get me out of the kitchen in a flash. So if you're ready, press the like button and let's get to work. I have all of my ingredients out. This is for the bacon cheddar pinwheels. On this side, I've got my crescent rolls. These are not going to be gluten-free, but not everybody needs to be gluten-free all the time, just because I do. And I've got these cranberry turkey meatballs. It literally just pick them up. Got the cranberries, hot sauce, maple syrup, and I needed a cup of orange juice, which I got from our tree. I walked outside this morning, picked a few oranges. This is the juice that I squeezed for the meatballs. I will write out both recipes and the instructions in the description box down below. I'm just chopping up my broccoli here and making the mix. This was super easy to put together. I don't know about you, but I am crazy afraid of popping the biscuits and crescent rolls. I never buy these and I am stupid afraid of them. How do you feel about the poppable cans? Are you scared? So pinch so that there's no seams anymore. Spread out your mixture, roll it up the long way, and cut out your pinwheels. I started at 10:41. It's now 11:05. So it took approximately 25 minutes. I didn't really know what I was doing. If I made them again, I probably could do it quicker. Now we're gonna move on to the cranberry meatballs. The recipe says put the cranberries, orange juice, and maple syrup in the pot. That literally came together in no time at all. We're gonna bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer, 10 to 15 minutes. After 13 minutes, they look like this. I don't think they're done. I just don't. They look really good. They smell amazing. I've got my little sauce going. Yeah, that looks really good. At this point, the berries were starting to burst and the sauce was starting to thicken a little. Check the time, it's 11:16. We're doing fantastic. I just kept a bit of a stir on this so that it wouldn't stick to the bottom of the pan and burn. Final check on the crescent rolls. I did give them 1 more minute at this point because the bottoms were not quite done yet. This sauce is ready. I ended up adding some more maple syrup because it just wasn't quite sweet enough for me. And now I'm gonna put the meatballs in. I'll give these a few minutes on the heat, but they look really yummy. They look sticky and delicious, and I think they're gonna be a hit. They are out of the oven, and look at those. What a delicious potluck. Super easy, and I bet they are amazing. When Mr. Biggs comes back in, I'm gonna ask him to taste test them because they look and smell really good. Yum. There we go, in and out of the kitchen in under an hour. Okay, Mr. Biggs just came in from working outside, and this one's yours.
This one?
This one. Whatever one you want. Whatever, I don't care.
Buttery. Bacony, broccoli. Good.
Good. Cool. And the perfect size for a potluck, right? Just a few bites, you can grab it off the tray.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Next up, meatballs. They're tangy, right? Yeah.
That'll get you to the next round.
Thanks, babe. These appetizers were so easy to make for a last minute potluck Christmas idea. Go ahead and give them a try. I highly recommend. These would be great for New Year's as well. They look so pretty and they look like I fussed, and really, I don't even have an hour, but I don't have more than an hour to work on anything. And now I have two beautiful things to bring to my last minute Christmas potluck. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you got something out of the video. And remember everybody, life is an adventure, so enjoy your journey. Bye-bye and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I wish you the best season there is.